Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Tesla key fob battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quite straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the service center. Let's get started and keep your key fob powered up. Now let's open up the key fob. Look for the small seam running along the side of the fob. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this seam. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. You'll hear a small click as it begins to open. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them back together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming it's securely closed. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.